Welcome to 7661 Fairfax Drive, also known as the Oasis, a truly turnkey furnished 12-bedroom property located in Encore Resort. So this 12-bedroom, 12.5-bath home has just under 6,400 square feet and sleeps 28. It's one of the largest floor plans in Encore Resort. Let's take a look around. The kids won't have to fight over which room they sleep in with all of the fun choices that they have. They can choose between the adjoined treehouse bedrooms, the submarine room, or the custom Dr. Seuss room. Everyone can enjoy a friendly game of pool on the custom 1965 Ford Mustang pool table or trying to beat the high score on the dual classic upright arcade. The custom DJ lighting above the pool table is like nothing you've ever seen. When the owner purchased this home in 2021, it was unfurnished. They put approximately $200,000 into the basic premium furnishings, both indoors and outdoors that you see here, plus an additional $200,000 in themed rooms and game rooms. Most recently, a massive 20.4 kilowatt Tesla solar was installed, which will be paid off prior to closing and has reduced the monthly electric bill to an average of $200 per month. When it's time to relax, you can head into the theater room, complete with a large projector screen and theater-style seating for 10 or more. So over the past 2 years, this property has averaged $224,000 in annual gross rents. It has a 62% occupancy rate, and the average nightly rental rate is $998. I'm Kelly French, your Orlando short-term rental expert. Call me at 352-988-4975 to see this amazing property for yourself.